In this video, we're gonna show you how to make the tahini power sauce recipe.
This sauce is a great addition to veggies, tofu, and meat.
A key ingredient of this recipe is nutritional yeast, which is a great source of vitamin B12 and protein.
Plus, it's delicious. My daughter even likes to lick it off the spoon.
Let's get to it.
You know, Ashley, this is one of my favorite sauce recipes.
It is so good. If you like your sauce a little bit thicker, add less water. To make it thinner and more drizzly, add a little bit more.
And this sauce packs a punch of flavor, so a little bit goes a long way. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.